Hello viewers, I'm happy being here again. In this video, I'm gonna show you a super quick way to design an outline for Maven. You might extend any number of folders, packages, sub-packages, files, property files, JSON files, or any testing.xml, or test case classes, or page object model classes, any listeners and extend report. This basic framework is very important. So here I'm going to create a Maven project with a simple create project structure. In the group ID, I'm providing some group ID with a naming convention recommended, and artifact ID is the project name which you want to create. And then I'm proceeding with the window. Now you could see the package explorer session. You can see the framework here. To see the type of structure it has created, like main Java and main resources, test Java test resources. Now let me show you the creation of different packages and the folders inside. So in the test Java, I recommend folders like firstly for all the base code we should have a base class, and then we can have test cases class, and another one you can have utilities for like adding all the utility data, like different reusable data, like wait for element to appear, wait for element to disappear, such data. And in the resources session, you have a test data sheet inside this test data folder, and also you can have like configuration details in the configuration folder. Here in the configuration file folder, I can have all the configuration browser configuration details, and in the next screen you have the logs. Whichever we retrieve the data, the logs will be stored in the logs folder, and then you can have a reports. Either it can be test.ng report or the extend reports, which you have done it extensively. And I'm opening the pom.xml file of this framework. Here you can see I'm adding the dependencies tag. You have to add this dependencies tag, the starting and ending tag, and in between you can have dependency tag. In that you can able to add any dependencies which you want. Open the JRE like the JRE libraries. You can see here all the Java libraries which are already there. So other than that, whatever dependencies I want, I will take those. So to run the WebDriver, my WebDriver session, for that you can use the Selenium WebDriver, and I am taking it from mavenrepository.com. The dependency I'm copying from here, and I will paste in this dependencies tag. So I'm pasting here in the dependency tag, and I'm saving the pom.xml. Now for the test.ng reporting purposes, we add the plugin called test.ng. So I'm trying to add the test.ng tag. Here you could see 7.90 is the latest version. So I'm grabbing this tag as well and pasting it here, this dependency. And whenever you add any dependency and save the page, you could able to see the build is happening in the bottom of the Eclipse page. Yeah. We are done with WebDriver Manager and test.ng. Now for the reporting, for extensive reporting, you have a report.ng. It's actually the old version, pretty old version, but you can make use of it for extensive reporting. So I'm adding that reporting dependency as well. And then I'm taking the log4j, which is an Apache POI. Here you could see the latest versions of Apache POI log4j. This log4j, in a nutshell, it's a framework that gives out information about everything that goes on during the software execution. So if something wrong is happening during the software execution, it will take care of it. So you have a API as well for the log4j. So by using this, you can log messages in different levels, like at the debug or a warning or error messages, at the fatal messages, and output them to the various appenders. We have this console file database appenders, right? You can make use of these tags there. Also, we are continuing with the Apache POI for reading and writing the Excel handling data. We can read or write the data through the Excels by using this Apache POI common dependency. And WebDriver Manager, I think we have already added. No, we haven't added the WebDriver Manager. We just added the Selenium HQ, which is the Selenium dependency there. Now we are trying to add a Maven or Selenium WebDriver. So that is not available in the Maven repository page. You can get it from this page. So this is separate Git page which we have in open source. In the setup session, you can able to see the tag here. You can copy the tag directly and add the dependency over there in the pom.xml. And whenever we paste any dependency there, just hit the save button or the controllers. Now you can able to see the build as already happening in underneath the page. So that's almost.